In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about how to stay positive and motivated when it comes to Redbubble and print on demand in general. I know a lot of us struggle to keep consistency, struggle to believe that we can get the sales we deserve. So hopefully in this video, I can show you guys what I do to get around that mindset and to kind of keep pushing forward. If you're ready for this one, please do drop a like, as that'll be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print on demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print on demand stores. If you do happen to be new around here and you haven't already, please do click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bells. We've actually helped a lot of people get their first online sales through sites like Redbubble, so make sure to subscribe to potentially be one of those people. And for those who don't already know, down in the description I have a free print on demand starter guide that features a lot of the information I used when I first started. And for anyone out there looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing, I also have a paid step-by-step guide that's linked down below. Now, how do you stay positive and motivated when things are not going your way? The first thing you can do, which is more of a consistency thing that allows you to stay on top of things, is to set how many designs you want to post daily. This is something I've spoke about in the past, but having a set routine will allow you to keep to it. Obviously, you want to make it something you can manage. Some people can only upload one design a day. Some people can upload 10 plus designs a day. So you want to create an upload schedule for designs that works with you. This makes things easier and allows you to stay consistent when you're moving forward, not thinking too much about the sales at first, just thinking about increasing your design catalog on sites like Redbubble. That tip is a bit more technical, allows you to kind of build a foundation, especially when it comes to print on demand. For tip number 2, you want to be making sure that yes, you're covering niches that are trending, as that will allow people to find you a lot easier. But to keep it fun, to keep it interesting, you also want to look into niches that you're interested in, so things in relation to your hobbies. This kind of stops it from becoming repetitive in the way that you're just looking up things you don't have that much interest in, and it allows it to become a lot more fun. This is something I'm doing a lot now when it comes to my designs, even when it comes to this channel. I mean, for example, this video, I'm just giving you guys my tips in regards of what I do because I enjoy giving you tips. I'm not showing you obviously what designs to go for, and I'm not gonna lie, today I am feeling very sick, but I'm out here making this video because this is a video that I want to make because I enjoy making these kind of videos. So you need to kind of apply the same method to the niches that you look into, and then mix it up with obviously trending niches and then niches that you have interest in, things that are in relation to your hobbies, as trust me, that's just going to make the whole process a lot more fun. For tip number 3, you want to make sure that you're treating this like a game. The channel is called The Money Game for a reason, because if you see it as you're playing a game when it comes to making money, it allows your brain to find hacks, to find different ways of doing things to make things more fun, to actually make money, get sales, create designs. It's kind of like creating a leveling up system in your head. So when you're first starting out, like in any game, you start off at a very low level. You don't really have much going on, but over time, the more designs you post, the more you learn in regards of tags, keywords, titles, the more you will level up and the more you actually better what you're doing when it comes to print on demand. This kind of terminology mindset makes things a lot easier because, like with any game, you will never just start off at a high level, but for whatever reason, when it comes to print on demand, some people will try it for a week and think to themselves, it's not working. But there's no way you'd ever play a game and in a week struggle to get to the highest level and just give up. So you need to be in that mindset, as it will allow things to be a lot easier for you guys, and you get to a point where when you hit certain milestones, it becomes fun, and like I said, it'll feel like leveling up. Tip number 4, this is probably a big one in this video, and it's watching or listening to people that are positive or people that are doing something similar to yourself, even whilst you're working. Now, this is powerful in the sense that I personally feel that subconsciously, it puts your mind in a state where you can keep working without feeling tired or without feeling like, you're overworking yourself. Because if you're working whilst listening to people that are doing something similar or whilst listening to something positive, it's going to put you in a mindset where you want to keep working to pretty much create the best of what you can. This is something that's helped me a lot alongside my own journey, mainly because when I first started out, even it wasn't too easy to be creating designs as consistent as I was doing it. Sometimes things would feel a little bit more repetitive, especially with some of my scalable designs. But when I did this work and when I created these designs, listening to things, whether it was books, podcasts, or even other similar YouTube channels making similar content, this put me in the mindset of just working relentlessly without really getting too tired. At the end of the day, the mind takes in what you feed it. So I personally feel that if you feed it things that are positive, this positivity will reflect in your attitude to work and what you can actually do. And the fifth and final tip is do not look for instant gratification. For those who don't know, this means don't expect to put a design and a day later get a sale. This is very, very unrealistic. What you want to do, you want to think about the wall that you're trying to build, not the bricks that you're individually laying. Mainly because at the end of the day, it's the final picture. Mainly because at the end of the day, you want to have a big catalog of designs that will allow you to get consistent sales. And the only way to get there is to obviously be consistent, think of the long term, not of the short term, and eventually the sales that you're looking for will come. All of these tips I've spoke about in this video may seem like things that are easy to do, but trust me guys, when you put these into practice, it's not as easy as it seems. But the beauty of this is that if you do this, you follow these 5 steps, you will get to a point where you are successful with print on demand, if not with anything. This is what's worked for me, and I'm pretty sure it's something that can work for you. Nevertheless, that is it for this video. If you enjoy this, please drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. If you've made it to this point of the video, down in the comment section, comment down level up, and I'll try to respond to as many of you guys as possible. And guys, always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.